Hi everyone, I'm Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to see about the managing API. Then we have to first of all, we want to know about what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a set of rules and protocols that allows one software application to interact with another. API defines the methods and data formats that applications can use, request, and exchange data information. Then we all know about what is data. It is a collection of information is called the data. So next we have to see about some examples of APIs. We already know about some APIs. The first one is Google Maps API. Developers can use these APIs to embed Google Maps in their applications and customize maps with their own content. Then Facebook APIs. These APIs allows developers to access Facebook's social graph to integrate Facebook features into their applications. Amazon APIs. Amazon provides APIs for accessing product information, customer reviews, and other processing. Next, we have to see about benefits of APIs. Benefits of APIs: enriching user experience. APIs enable developers to create, interactive, and provide better user experience by leveraging external services and data sources. Efficiency: API allows applications to communicate and exchange data without sharing code base, which saves time and resources. Interoperability: APIs facilitate interoperability between different software systems, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Automation: APIs enable automation of tasks by allowing applications to communicate and exchange data without human intervention. Then we have to see about how APIs work. APIs define a contract between the provider of service and the consumer of that service. The provider exposes a set of endpoints that the consumer can use to access the service. The consumer makes requests to these endpoints using HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and receives responses in a specified format such as JSON or XML. API contract. The API contract defines how the service will be provided by the provider and consumed by the consumer. It includes details such as definition and terms of services, SLAs like uptime, availability, licensing, agreements for the usage of service, pricing, and support model. Next, we have to see about the types of APIs. There are different types of APIs. We have to notify web APIs, that is also called as REST APIs. It is implemented using the REST principles. Evaluation of APIs, from the simple libraries to web APIs, enabling remote access to services. Difference between web APIs and websites. Web APIs focuses on data exchange while websites focus on content presentation. Characteristics of APIs: they are standardized, documented, and accessible over a network. Then we have to see about web APIs with web services with service-oriented architecture. API focus on specific functionality while web services provide a broader range of functions. Service-oriented architecture, it's also called as SOA, is an approach that uses web services to enable communication between different systems. Then we have to notify the API value chain. It describes the flow of value from API providers to consumers. It includes activities such as API design, development, deployment, and consumption. Then we have to move on to the business models for APIs. There are free premium, developer pays, API monetization. Thank you all.